Often referred to as the Colosseum of East, Ranghar is one of the oldest surviving amphitheatres of Asia. It is located near the Rangpur Palace at a distance of 3 kilometers from Sibasnagar town. This monument is an important historical place in Assam, reflecting the architectural precision and grandeur of that time.
Sukhapa Samanya Keshta Jorhat. Sukhapa Samanya Keshta was constructed in the memory of Sukhapa, the first Ahom king of Assam. An excavation is undergoing here, hoping to find remains of Ahom kingdom.
The chances of an average person knowing about Surya Pahar are quite low. This relatively unknown site near Golpara in Assam is high on archaeological value. Calling it an archaeologist's gold mine won't be an overstatement. This is an existing historical place in Assam that will truly transport you back in time. Tatalgarh or the Rangpur Palace is situated in the north region of Assam and is one of the most impressive of Thai Ahom architecture. The upper ground floor of the Tatalgarh is popularly known as Karenghar and was used by as a living place by the royalty of Assam.
Charaido Sibasagar. Located 28 km away from Sibasagar, this was the capital of Ahom dynasty. This historical place in Assam was built by Sukhapa, the founder of Ahom dynasty. The main attraction of Charaido is its burial vaults of the king and members of Ahom dynasty. These vaults built of stones and bricks are in ruins today.
Pavamekka in Hacho, which lies on the banks of the Brahmaputra river and 24 kilometers away from Guwahati in Kandrap district, is very famous and popular pilgrimage spot for Muslims. It is located in the top of Guru Ranchal Hill, just adjacent to the Madhava temple. This mosque was built by Sujauddin Muhammad Shah in 1657 AD during the rule of re-owned Mughal Empire Shah Jahan.
Khaspur Silchar. It is located 20 km from Silchar. Here you can find the ruins of Great Dimasa Kingdom. The main attractions are Lion Gate, the Sun Gate and aged old King's Temple. The original place is in a state of non-existing, but its subsidiaries, the main entrance gate, the Suryadwar, Debalya are still there intact. The entrances are of intricate elephant pattern. Ladaigarh, Jorhat. This is fortified structure nearly 15 km from Jorhat. It was constructed by King Pratap Sinha to protect his kingdom from the neighboring kingdoms. The Garh comprises 3 parts, out of which Meragarh is at Manjuli. Patrughat Shahid Minar, Darang. Patrughat Shahid Minar, located 16 km from Mangaldayi, was established to commemorate the victim of Jallianwala Bagh of Assamese origin, making it an important historical place in Assam.
Assam is the main and the oldest state in the northeast region of India and serves as the gateway to the rest of the Seven Sister states. The land of Red River and Blue Hills, Assam comprises three main geographical areas: the Brahmaputra Valley, which stretching along the length of the Brahmaputra River, the Barak Valley extending like a tail, and the intervening Karvi Plateau and the North Chachar Hills. Assam shares its borders with Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram, and West Bengal. And there are national highways leading to the capital cities. It also shares international borders with Bhutan and Bangladesh and is very close to Myanmar.
Assam is an awesome place to visit. It has many tourist attractions and hotspots. First is Kaziranga National Park. It is the home to the largest population of the one-horned rhino on earth. Majuli. Majuli is a lush green, environment-friendly, a pristine and pollution-free freshwater island in the river Brahmaputra. Third is Guwahati. Famously regarded as the gateway to Northeast India, Guwahati is the largest city in the state of Assam. Manas National Park. Manas National Park is a UNESCO Natural World Heritage Site. Fifth is Dibrugarh. Dibrugarh is the largest city of Assam, located 439 km from Guwahati, a major city in the northeastern region in India. Dibru-Saikhowa National Park. Dibru-Saikhowa National Park is one of the places which boast of a rich collection of flora and fauna. 7th, Barpeta. One of the major towns in the western Assam, located around 98 km northwest of Guwahati. Barpeta is the administrative headquarters of Barpeta district, which is known as the land of Satras. 8th, Hajo. At a distance of about 24 km from the city of Guwahati, Hajo adores the bank of Brahmaputra, an Asian.
So now let's solve some queries related to Assam that comes in our mind. First, what is Assam famous for? Assam is known for Assam tea, Assam silk. The state was the first site for oil drilling in Asia. Assam is a home to the one-horned Indian rhinoceros, along with the wild water buffalo, pygmy hog, tiger, and various species of Asiatic birds, and provides one of the last wild habitats for the Asian elephants. Next, what is the best time to visit Assam? The best time to visit Assam is in the winter or summer when the weather is enjoyable. Winters are cold but pleasant, and summers are delightful, refreshing. Stay clear of the monsoon though, as the region experiences heavy rainfall during those months, and it is not the best season to visit Assam. Who is the Tourism Minister of Assam? Assam's Tourism Minister Sri Chandan Brahma called on Union Minister of Tourism and Culture IC Sri Prahlad Singh Patel